Our other big story tonight, Indiana's Attorney General Todd Rokita is warning both IMPD and IPS of legal action.
In fact, he even sent a letter to Metro Police and the school district, and in that letter he says he wants them to cooperate with Immigrations and Customs Enforcement. Karen Campbell joins us now live in studio to fill us in. And when we're talking about cooperation, Karen, what exactly is Rokita talking about?
Well, since we're talking about two different organizations, we have IMPD, we have IPS. Cooperation works a little differently for both. So I want to start with IMPD. According to Rokita, since Indiana is not considered a sanctuary city, local law enforcement is required by law to offer help to the, quote, fullest extent that federal law allows. If they don't, they would be in violation of civil law and go to court. IMPD has said their #1 priority is reducing crime and violence, and they work with federal partners every day. And they have not been asked to participate in any sweeps, and they don't intend to. So Rokita, he also said it doesn't matter if the person is a criminal or is just here illegally. Take a listen to this.
If there's an apprehension made, if there's a stop made, and in that situation, it's found out that this person is an illegal alien, and ICE has asked, if that's the case, I'm not sure, but if ICE has asked for that kind of cooperation to say, let us know if you pick up someone who is an illegal alien, then local law enforcement has to tell them.
If you recall, about 3 weeks ago, FOB President Rick Snyder came out saying officers wouldn't be enforcing federal laws, but would still cooperate with ICE.
Any regular prescribed information sharing between levels of enforcement will still continue.
So now, regarding IPS, Rokita says school officials would allow ICE on school grounds to conduct a search and seizure, and that doesn't require a warrant under the 4th Amendment. IPS tells 13 News that they are working on a response. Now, IPS and IMPD, they must respond to Rokita's letter by February 27th. In that response, they have to list the changes that they have made to their immigration policy. So, of course, this is something that we will definitely continue to follow as we await what IPS has to say about all of this.
All right, Karen Campbell, thanks so much for your coverage on this. And you might remember the Attorney General did file a lawsuit against a police department that's in the northern part of Indiana over similar complaints.
And we first told you about it right here on 13 News at 5 about 3 weeks ago. AG's lawsuit against the St. Joseph County Police Department accused the agency of not complying with Indiana law over what police were not doing when it came to immigration. However, our NBC affiliate in South Bend got a statement from the department refuting the claims. The Attorney General's office has filed similar lawsuits against other counties across the state, including the Monroe County Sheriff's Office.